Hello guys, welcome to another new series video of Infinix Hot10. In this video I'll be sharing my two most experience with the Infinix Hot10. Is it really hot indeed? Let's find out as I'll be taking you through all you need to know about the phone. And right before we proceed, I would like to ask you a question. Are you new to this channel? Are you an enthusiastic tech freak? If yes, then you're in the right place because we got all it takes to keep you abreast of all tech gadgets in terms of phone, machinery, motor and a lot more. All you need to do is just, in order for you to get a free update, when I say free, I mean totally free update and notification when we post new video like this, all you got to do is to click the subscribe button below and click the bell icon. Trust me, it's totally free and that will enable you to get free update as immediately as it's being released. So in this video, I'll be sharing 5 main points about the phone. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 main points in my experience of the phone, which include the battery, the sensor, the communication, the memory, and the most important thing, the camera. Because if there's any reason why users will spend a huge amount on a phone, camera will also contribute to that. The first on our list is the battery. For the Infinix Hot10, it features a 5200 mAh battery compared to the previous version, which is the Hot9, which only has 5000 mAh battery. But for this Hot10, the battery is something cool, it can last you up to 2 days, without charging it. And apart from the longevity, it also has another downside, which I can only say is the charging time. It has a low charging time. When I tried charging it from 0% to 100%, it took about exactly 3 hours 15 minutes to get fully charged. So if there's any downside to the battery, all I can say is that it has a low charging capacity. Apart from that, every other thing is cool about the phone. The sensor, the Infinix Hot10 features a rear mounted sensor which is placed at the back here. From my experience, the sensor acts very quickly. It's very sensitive to touch. I will show you based on the screen display of the sensor. Okay, this is all I have for the sensor. You see how it adds to it. It's quick, it's fast. The Infinix Hot10 features a Wi-Fi, location, a GPS, a hotspot, a Bluetooth. Apart from that, also it has but the only thing it lasts is an NFC, which is a near field communication. It lasts that. But apart from it, all other things it has it with the radio also. That's all for the communication. Let's check more about the Bluetooth. Fourth on our list is the storage. For the Infinix Hot10, it has a dedicated SD card slot which you can insert your external SD card. Apart from that, it also has inbuilt memory. Mine is of 64 gig of 3 gig RAM. It has other variety of 64 gig with a 4 gig RAM, 128 gig of 4 gig RAM, and 128 gig of 6 gig RAM. For the platform, this is an operating system of 10 with the SOS of 6.0. For the chipset, is made up of a MediaTek Helio G70 with an octa-core CPU and a GPU of. We're almost getting to the end of the video. The last on our list is the camera. The Infinix Hot10 has a camera of 16 MP, 2 MP macro and a 2 MP depth with the quad LED display. For the camera, I've taken some experience with the camera both in daylight and in night mode also, with the front camera test also. The front camera, which is located at the left right corner, it has an 8 MP camera display, and it's something okay, because based on the experience I had with it on the night mode, it was okay. Let's take a view at it. Cancel. Yeah, front camera test. Yes, quite okay. This is the daylight view of the Hot 10. The camera is quite okay, but it seems somehow blurry by the side. Okay, this is what we have for the sub view front camera in video display. So let's try for the back camera. Uh, yeah, this is for the back camera. Okay, let's take a view and see how it is. Let me look at the sun directly. Let's take a view at the street. Okay, yeah, let me try make a zoom of it.